Here we are having two spring. The one, let's say this one, and the another one, which is this one. Now the initial length of the spring is x for both the springs. Now when we hang the mass m to the spring, then there will be the extension in the length of the spring. Let's say for the one it is x1 and for the another one that is a x2. Now to calculate this distances or the extended distance, we are going to equating the forces that are going to apply on the spring. First of all, talk about the first spring. So in that case, I can write f of g is equal to f of 1, because here whatever the force is applying on the spring, that will remain same. So fg is equal to mg, and f1 is equal to k1 x1. Here we need to find out how much distance have been extended by applying the mass on the spring. So I can write this formula in the form of a x1. So x1 is equal to mg upon k1. Let's say equation 1, because we are going to use this for the further calculation. Now to calculate the extension in the second spring, this one, due to the attached mass, by equating gravitational force on the mass to the spring force, let's say for this Fg is equal to F2. Again we know f of g is equal to mg, and f of 2 is equal to k2 x2. Therefore the extended length in the spring 2 x2 is equal to mg upon k2. Let's say this is the equation number 2. Okay, now we are going to calculate the total extension in the pair of spring, which is nothing but the sum of both the distances x1 and x2. So here in both the equation 1 and 2, m and g are common. So I'm taking, or I'm writing m and g outside the bracket, and let's say the rest of the quantities, that is 1 upon k1 plus 1 upon k2. Let's say this equation, or give it to the number 3. The effective spring constant is found by treating two springs as one spring with extension x. So in that case, I can write k is equal to mg upon x. But from equation number 3, we know the x. So mg upon, instead of x, I can write this one. So mg 1 upon k1 plus 1 upon k2. By solving this, or to solve this, we need to multiply k1, k2 in the numerator and denominator. both of this equation. So finally, let me write multiply. So finally, I will have k is equal to k1 into k2 upon k1 plus k2. The final answer.